How to fix a zipper on a leather jacket. To fix a zipper on a leather jacket, you will need a few tools and materials. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Assess the problem. Determine what is causing the zipper to malfunction. It could be a missing tooth, a misaligned zipper track, or a damaged slider. 2. Clean the zipper. Use a small brush or toothbrush to remove any dirt or debris that may be causing the zipper to stick. 3. Check the slider. Inspect the slider to see if it is damaged or bent. If it is, you may need to replace it with a new one. 4. Align the zipper tracks. If the zipper tracks are misaligned, use pliers to gently realign them. Be careful not to damage the teeth in the process. 5. Replace missing teeth. If there are missing teeth in the zipper, you can use a zipper repair kit to replace them. These kits can be found at most fabric or craft stores. 6. Lubricate the zipper. Apply a small amount of zipper lubricant or wax to the zipper tracks to help the slider move more smoothly. 7. Test the zipper. Once you have made the necessary repairs, test the zipper to ensure that it is working properly. If you are not comfortable fixing the zipper yourself, you can also take your leather jacket to a professional tailor or leather repair shop. They will have the expertise and tools needed to fix the zipper for you. By following these steps, you can easily fix a zipper on a leather jacket and prolong the life of your favorite piece of outerwear.